Yeah. Here I am going to explain about the execution of a basic login form which is built using the PHP codes, and it also consists the JDBC in it. Here I have developed a folder naming login app. This folder consists of three PHP files. The index PHP file consists of the basic form creation, the components involved in the form, and all. This is the basic index.php, which involves the HTML, and it creates a username and password in this. And this HTML page is directed to the login.php using the action attribute. Sorry. And now let's see the next one. As the HTML page directs to the login.php file, let's open it. This is the login.php file, which displays whether the connection between the frontend and the database is successful or not. And if the database is connected to the frontend, then it prints the login successful. If not, it prints invalid username and password. This is the validation for the frontend. And now let's see the db.php. This is db.php, which is database.php. In this, we connect the front end to the database, which is MySQL in my laptop. Here I have specified the host name, the database name, and the username and password, which is required to log in into the database. And now let's see the execution of this PHP code and the WAMP server. I have installed the WAMP server in my laptop. Here it is. And now let's execute this PHP folder in this WAMP server. For the execution, we need to place this folder into the www folder of WAMP. It is located in, I will show. Yeah. Firstly, we need to go to the C drive. There we have WAMP 64. We have to select it. And here we have www folder. In this folder, we need to paste our PHP folder in order to execute it. And here I have already pasted my login app folder in this, which is over here. And in order to execute these folders, we need to go to the Google Chrome and type localhost, as it is the host name of the WAMP server. And I have already typed the localhost. This is the WAMP server, and the projects deployed by you are shown over here under the your projects title. And this is my project, which is login app. And you can also create the database over here using the PHP myadmin, but I have created separately in the command line prompt MySQL. So now let's execute the login app. And this is the front end of my login page. Now here we need to enter our specifications. And here I'm getting the try block of the code, which is connection failed. As it's seen here, it is executing the catch block, and it specifies that the login app database is not known. Let's see the database end of this. Now I'm opening the MySQL command line prompt, and let's see the login app database is currently present or not. Here I've already created login app database, Let's see whether it is present or not. Yeah, the login app database is currently alive. Let's see whether it has tables in it or not. Yeah, the login app database contains a table naming users. Let's see the content of the users table. This is this query used to display the contents of the specified table. And here we get the ID, username, and password of the users table, which is present in the login app database. But unfortunately, the server says that the login app is not present only. So this is the error which I am getting in the PHP code. I hope you understand it. Thank you.